sleepy out here today. I'm out here at the park, and it's been a while since I fished out here, but I like fishing out here. It's nice and quiet usually, and pretty peaceful. But Saturday morning, it's early. I got my little ultralight rod. We're just gonna try fishing some, see what we can catch with the. I think I got like I think I got 6 pound on this line thing. Just some ultralight, some beetle spins, junk like that. We're gonna try. Just see if I can catch anything. And then I may go hiking around out here in the park a little bit. Kind of show y'all around. See if we can do some fishing. Since the fishing didn't pan out, tried that for a couple hours, I guess. Didn't get nothing. Didn't even get a nibble of nothing. Wish I'd have brought me some live bait. Maybe I could have caught something with some live bait, I'm not sure. Anyway, I thought I'd come in here and walk a little bit of a trail. They got several miles of trails out here at this park. Most of it's paved. And I thought I'd see if I can see some animals. Oh man, I've got bad knees. They're killing me right now. But trying to get out here and make me a video for all of y'all. Yeah, look at all them little cypress knees. Buttload of those suckers. And I gotta piss really bad. Over 2.5 hours since I pissed. I guess I should piss outdoors. That would be outdoorsy. Take a big old piss. How about a big old crap right here next to this tree? I could drop a big old deuce right there. Right there. So everybody could find it. That'd be pretty outdoorsy. I gotta start saying some more cuss words. I don't want this channel to be construed as a
child-friendly channel. So I need to say ass and shit a few more times. My asshole is really burning right now.
I'll be sure and leave this in editing, and it'd be great for the channel. YouTube with their new stuff may I don't do some cussing and stuff in here, they might not recognize it. They think it's some kind of family-friendly channel. Dig that crap out of my ear. I'm back up here at my vehicle. We're gonna get in there, and I'm gonna see what else I can find. Maybe out here. Bye. Let's go look at the ducks. Should I get a thumbnail pitch? Let's see if this works. You wanna stay there for me? You wanna get in the camera? Huh? What? What you squawking about? Are you horny, man? Hey. Hey. I wish I had something for you. I wish I had something. Hey. I ain't got nothing for you. You gonna peck at me? Wow. You a squawker, man. I think he's mad at me. He didn't get me. He already nipped at my leg. Yeah, y'all just come around and mill around me. I ain't gonna hurt you. I'm not gonna hurt you. Aren't these Canadian goose? Oh, this sucker's pecking at me. Hey, man. So you messing around with people, man. Don't come at me. Yeah? So you're getting too close. These suckers must have flew in here because they wasn't here a little while ago. At least these, I think those are, ain't those Canadian geese? I've never seen any of those around here. All I've ever seen is these kind of ducks. That was all bowed up, man. Like, that's funny. I'm gonna start walking down there and see if it comes at me again. Yep, here he comes. He's like, you ain't going down there. Look at that sucker. He's like, you ain't going down there. Let me start walking down there again. There he comes. There he comes. There he comes. You all bowed up? You all bowed up? You all bowed up? Huh? Psst. 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 Man, I just want to use a camera on you. Just taking some pictures of you. That sucker's giving me heck, man. He hit my leg twice. Or she, I guess it's, I don't know if it's a he or a she. I'm not real duck, whatever you call it, knowledgeable, duck knowledgeable. Yeah, I mean, I just never been a duck hunter. Even though there's the Duck Dynasty people live here, and they dug the duck Dynasty, and they do the duck hunting. But yeah, I don't know. I don't ever go. Never been. I don't hunt anymore anyway. This is the best I do with hunting. I'm gonna see if I can get some pictures of them though. Maybe I'll just make this into a duck video. I'm fixing to head out of here. I guess I'm gonna leave this video here at this ending. So if you've liked this video, give it a thumbs up and be sure and subscribe. And be sure and hit that bell goes dang 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 once again. Share this video. I will talk to y'all later. Bye bye.